Hey guys, welcome back to another video. February's been a hot month. We've had two big releases so far into the year, and this is going to be one of them. We got an unboxing, guys. This just came out last week. I just got it a few days ago. I think I got it 2 or 3 days ago in the mail. Let's open it up. But let's get into this box. Got a little bit more tape. See what we got here. Look at that. I haven't owned a OnePlus phone since the 6, I believe. They didn't have this on T-Mobile this year, so I had to get this outright from their own website, OnePlus. I was going to get it from Best Buy, but OnePlus had a pretty good trade-in deal. This is a nice box though. I haven't seen the OnePlus's boxes in a while. It's like it's pretty smooth. Has a smooth feel to it. It's not like the typical plastic feeling boxes. It's like a matte feeling to it. That's pretty cool. I like that. This is a cool box. Look at that. 11. And then down here it says OnePlus and Hasselblad. This is their third phone that they made together. Some specs on the back, if you're interested in that. All right, let's get into it. Slide it out. There you go. Put that to the sides, and we got the Never Settle logo on there. And then there's a little arrow here that says pull it up. And then we got the phone. Let's look at this thing for a sec. Anyways. See what it comes with. Like I said, it's been a few years since I opened a OnePlus. I don't even know what's they give any extras in here, but we got welcome guide, safety guide. They're giving some cool stickers. I'm gonna keep these. I like these stickers. They're pretty cool. Thank you for extra stickers. There's an adapter here. Haven't seen one of these in a while. It's an OTG adapter. There's a USB-A on this side to USB-C on the bottom, so you can connect it to the bottom of your phone and connect some USB-A devices. That's pretty nice that they still give those. I never use those, but they are welcome. So we got that. Some paperwork. And that is about it for that box. Let's pull the phone. And there's the phone, but we'll get to that. You got this little removable thing. So this is something you haven't seen in a while. This is how companies should do. Take notes Samsung, take notes Apple. Alright, take notes Google. Not only do they give you a charger, OnePlus gives you the SuperVoke 80-watt charger in the box for free. So if you don't know what this does, this is extremely fast charging. Probably the fastest charging out there right now, as far as I know. 80 watts. So that's basically going to charge your phone in like 27 minutes from dead to full. 27 minutes. This big brick. It's just lovely. It's cool that they give you that still. And then, of course, classic OnePlus wire, the red wires. This should be USB-C to... This is a USB-C to A though. I'm surprised because usually I thought it was C to C. Yeah, they still use A here. Interesting. They're still able to get really fast charging with A to C. And this looks pretty long. It's a long cable. Very nice. So the part you've been probably waiting for the most, to see the actual phone. The wrappings are uncovered. You can see the 3 cameras and the flash. You can see. Go ahead and open this. Little note there. To maximize the performance of our in-display fingerprint sensor, we recommend using screen protectors from OnePlus and our official partners. As you might know, like when Samsung came out with these in-display fingerprint sensors, some of them had a hole here, or you can tell they were thinner right in this area. That's probably what they mean. If you use one that's way too thick, fingerprint scanner probably won't work as well. Here's the OnePlus 11. First time I've held it. Feels really nice. It's not too heavy. The weight is good. Feels good. It kind of looks like there's a case or like a plastic on here, but there is not. It has a very interesting plastic look to it. Or the glass is just really shiny and I haven't been used to that. But it looks like there's a pretty thick layer on top. Looks cool. Looks interesting. I don't mind it at all. So this is the Eternal Green colorway. And this is 256 gigabytes of storage, 16 gigabytes of RAM. You also have the black colorway, the Titan Black. And you can either get that one in 16 gigs and 256 storage, or 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. You cannot get this green colorway in the 8 gigabyte, 128 gigabyte storage configuration. So if you want to save $100 and get that one, you can only get the black one. But I have the green one here. I think this is probably the better of the two. I think it's just more interesting. But I mean, save some money, get the black one. We have a curved display here, 6.7 inch AMOLED display, 120 hertz refresh rate. There's a screen protector on here already. I can actually, there's no way for me to capture that, but you can tell by the camera hole that there's a line around it. Okay, so they already give you a screen protector. I'll probably just leave that on. It's a nice touch. We have a microphone up here. We have the alert slider, which is always nice. I wish other manufacturers would put this in there. Has a nice click sound to it. And then we have a power button right here on the right side. It's pretty high. The alert slider feels way high. I feel like it shouldn't be that high, but I mean, I guess you wouldn't accidentally hit it very often anyway. Let's go to the bottom of the phone. USB-C, microphones, speakers. And then we got the SIM tray right here. I've heard in some markets it's dual, but I think here it's just single. SIM 2 right there, SIM 1 right here, and I believe there's an eSIM as well, so a lot of options. A lot of options that OnePlus is giving us. Here on this side, we got a volume rocker, and that's the only thing on this whole side, besides some antenna bands. The new camera module, the last year's was a little bit more squarish, this one is circular. We got a flash, we got 3 lenses here, a 50 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, 32 megapixel 2x optical zooming camera. Looking forward to doing the testing on this because I haven't shot a OnePlus in, like I mentioned, in quite a few years, so I'm looking forward to see what the camera is like, especially with the Hasselblad partnership. I'm very interested in seeing that. Other than that, we got Wi-Fi 7 support, IP64 for water and dirt resistance, and that's about it so far. Just looking at the physical aspect of the phone, feels a lot skinnier. It's a lot easier to hold. The curved sides are very similar to, I mean, the previous phones, they have had curved sides. This is very similar to something like the Pixel 7 Pro in terms of the width of the sides. It's pretty skinny. It's actually skinnier on the OnePlus. And I'd rather they have thicker sides because this is kind of like, I thought this was too skinny and harder to hold. As you can see, there's more area. There's more of the sides here than this one. This one, there's just enough of the rails for the button to be on. I noticed while looking at this is probably gonna be so hard to get. I'm not gonna be able to get it at all on the camera module. There is a texture, and it pretty much shines at the right light. Nice touch, nice touch. The camera module, nicely enough, it doesn't come out that far. There's probably gonna be a little bit of wobble. Let's test that out. Just a little, not a lot, because the camera comes out pretty far to this side, so you're not gonna get a lot of wobble. Just a little tiny wobble right here. Not a lot. So yeah, that's the device. Looks really nice. I'm gonna put my SIM in this immediately and give this a go. I was under the impression that this came with a case, but I guess not, or maybe it's... There's no way it's behind here. There's no room for it anymore. Odd. I guess in other parts of the country, you're getting a charger, or you're getting a case, I mean. But we didn't get a case here. I did not get a case here. So, if you're wondering, no case. So that's the phone. I'm going to give this a go, and I'll let you know my findings in a bit. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.